Hello, good morning. So today we are visiting Mullayanagiri, the first destination of this trip. This is the highest peak of Chikmagalur, Karnataka. It would be some 20 kilometers from the center point of Chikmagalur where we are staying. How many steps do we have to climb there to reach the point? Oh my god, we have to climb some 500 steps. Weather is cool, sunny, so not a problem. It might take some time. Let's enjoy.
Today is our second day at Chikmagalur. Places to be covered is Mullayanagiri Peak, Baba Budangiri and Jhari Falls. Mullayanagiri is 20 kilometers from Chikmagalur city center. You can reach via your own vehicle, else you can rent a car or jeep from city center Chikmagalur. The full stretch is Ghat road, but last 2 kilometers to Mullayanagiri is a bit difficult. Hence, those who are not so confident driving on Ghat roads, they can park their vehicle at Seethalayanagiri Temple parking and hire a jeep from there, which will cost around 600 to 700 rupees. The journey will be absolutely mesmerizing with coffee gardens on either side with the calm serenity of the nature.
This stretch is quite scary. Oh my god. It's total foggy all around. We are at Mullayanagiri. Oh my god, this is so amazing and it is chilling cold. Now we have to climb 500 steps and go up. It is so much shivering, oh my god. Amazing clouds. Those are the steps we have to climb now. We have to climb from there and reach that particular point. This is truly amazing that we can see the cloud. Oh my god. Chilling cold it is. We have completed almost half of the staircases. There we started from. And here am I. Oh my god, some more steps to climb. There it is. The mission seems to be completed almost. Just taking rest for some time as it is quite tiring. Those staircases are there, but it is still quite tiring. Finally, we have climbed the stairs and finally reached the highest peak of Chikmagalur. Oh my god. So we have reached the Mullayanagiri Temple. This is just once we reach at the peak. You have to climb few stairs and here is the temple. This place is 6,300 feet above sea level. Great. The valley from here. Every angle looks better than the other ones. So finally Mullayanagiri trip is over. We are going down. It will take some more time. Going down is not that difficult. Anyways, sunlight is there. It is not that cold also right now as it was in the morning. Gautam, where's our next destination?
Budangiri, Baba Budangiri.
We are going to Baba Budangiri Temple, and from there we will be going to Jhari Falls. So that's going to take another couple of hours time, and this is how it is looking right now. So we go from here and then we go there to the parking area, and then from there we would go to that side. You climb down, or maybe if you want some water or some snacks, here it is. Limited options, but it is just okay. You need a fruit juice, a bottle of water, some cucumber, some biscuits, some chips, easily available. All set to go for the next destination. Let's go. I've just come to Seethalayanagiri Temple. This is just 1 kilometers or 1.5 kilometers from Mullayanagiri peak. Once we are done with Mullayanagiri, from there we have come here. It's a very small temple. They have a parking too. Here the parking is. I'm standing at the parking zone. Here is the temple at the back side of mine. So we'll go to the temple now. Let's go. heading towards Baba Budangiri Temple. We wasted nearly 2 hours after Chikmagalur peak and the temple we visited. We had a mess. We were trying to change the camera lenses and unfortunately the keys were kept inside the car and the car got locked. So we had fellow members, travelers, those who helped us, but unfortunately it took 2 hours and finally we got rid of the problem. We were able to unlock the car, otherwise it would have been a big mess. But surprisingly, when we called the service station, they didn't respond properly. Anyways, thanks to God, we came out of this mess. Now we are heading towards Baba Budangiri Temple, followed by Jhari Falls.
Mulyanagiri to Baba Budangiri is 25 kilometers, having the same ghat road stretch. There is a trekking route as well. Other than driving, those who are willing to go for trek, it may take around 5 hours.
So here we arrive at Budangiri and Dattatreya peeta, also Manikyadhara Falls. We'll be spending here some couple of hours time because you have to climb a number of staircases to go to the valley and come back and visit the Baba Budangiri grave. Let's check inside. We have just come to Baba Budangiri and this is the valley. This is the entire valley. So we have just entered Baba Budangiri. We are just going towards the cave. What is that?
Peeta.
Dattatreya peeta. Dattatreya peeta. It is. So we'll go inside the cave and see. Probably cameras might not be allowed. Well, I'll check it. But for now, I have to put it off. Let's go. So we went inside, but cameras are strictly prohibited, so we couldn't take the grave picture inside. We just heard the history that Baba Budangiri had come here, but his grave is not here. He came and he worshipped and then he went back.
Small cave.
Okay, there was also a very small cave, not a cave, it was like a door only through which he went. So even that is there. So they said that he came, he worshipped and he went. Some of his followers' graves are there, those who followed him. We tried taking some pictures, but they strictly didn't allow us to do that. Hence, I couldn't take the inner picture. So now we will be heading towards Jhari Falls. I think it will take some more time. How long it will take, Gautam? Another half an hour to reach Jhari Falls. So I'll check you guys there. Stay with me. So we are going to Jhari Falls right now. There is a system. If you are coming by your own vehicle, you cannot come to this place by your vehicle. There are private jeeps and cars you have to hire, and you have to come here. This is a personal property basically. So outside cars are not allowed. So basically you have to hire these cars. We have also hired a jeep. Either you can go on sharing basis, or you can just hire it for your personal travel. So this is a very nice property actually. The roads are very much rugged, but property is very nice. Coffee garden all around. Just have a look. Total area is 150 acres of land. Oh my god. Too much of shaking because of the rugged road. It is 3.5 kilometers.
Jhari Falls can be reached via jeep as it is a personal property. You need to stop your own vehicle at the entry point. One jeep is entitled to 7 persons only, cost of which is 700 rupees. In that case, the amount is shared. Cost is fixed whether you travel solo or in group. 7 people at a go, not more than that.
The jeep has left us at some point from where it is another a kilometer's walk. So because of this road, the jeep will not come here, and from here part of the waterfall can be seen. Now we are heading towards the main section. Let's go. Very deep forest, coffee gardens though, but absolutely deep forest. Post 5 o'clock this place will close. They will not allow you, so that's why we were hurrying to reach this point. Finally at the destination. Entertainment and full fun going on at Jhari Falls. This place is truly amazing. I enjoyed a lot. As you can see, people are enjoying, having fun to the fullest. I'm totally wet. Oh my god. But still it is fun. Intentionally I wanted to. So it's not a problem. Water is very cool, and due to winters you will feel the chill. The best part is the gushing of the water, the sound. This will really turn you crazy. It is evident from the screams of people here. I really enjoyed this place. But it's time to go back now because there are some time restrictions. But as you can see, people are enjoying to the fullest. Going back from Jhari Falls, like I said, we hired a personal jeep for ourselves so that we don't have to wait. We could have spent much more time there, but time is up, so we are going back. Had a very good experience here. I was not expecting this much. Though, like I said, the roads are rugged. It's a bit difficult to come to this place, but it is really fun. And the waterfall and the lovely cool water, it all added to the fun. I'm really impressed. So we are right now at Honnammana Falls. This is just maybe half a kilometer from Jhari Falls. We were not aware of this. While going to Jhari Falls, we saw this, so we just decided that on our way back, we would stop here. So it's like this. The water is coming from this flow. I'll just go on top and see the source. This is how it is. Very unusual. Let's go and check this. So this happens to be some stream from where the water is coming and then just flowing this way. The source, part of the water source. Here it is. Yes. The water is coming from there. Maybe part of it is visible. Here it is. Let's move to the next destination. Gautam, let's go.
So day 2 trip ends here today. Very much pleasant experience. Hope you all like the entire capture. Please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to share. We'll be back soon with third day trip. Hope the information given will be helpful for your Chikmagalur trip. See you all soon. Have a good time ahead. Bye bye.